Hello and welcome back. In this video I will be walking you through this Spyder IDE. So firstly, the way we are going to do this is try to remove some of these panes. So we shall close this source and object. We shall close these as well. Yes, the way I would usually prefer is to have the console on the right and the editor on the left. Difference between these two is on the right, for example, we have this console. So here the lines of code get executed immediately. So we shall now try to play with the console on the right. First things first, this acts as a quick calculator. So if I want to check addition of sum of two numbers, yeah, we can carry out some quick calculations here. The console on the right is working fine. On the left, we can write our scripts. So scripts are a collection of lines of code which get executed when run. So instead of, if you want to have 3 or 4 calculations in sequence, and instead of having them executed one by one immediately, you can have them as a collection. So that is very basic idea, but it can go much beyond that. We shall do a bit more today. So we can just create a new file here. We will write our first program. Let's say we are going to do the hello world program. We shall say print hello world. So we have written one line of code here, and the way to run this code is to click this green arrow at the top. So we also have the shortcut F5, which may differ depending on your platform, whether it's Windows or Ubuntu, but usually that is the uh, command. You can click this. First time when you're running this, you might see a dialog like this, and that is it. If you run it, yeah, so you can see the hello world being printed on the right. That is the output, and we can save this script, the left script. Again, we are back. We have clicked here on the editor, and we can just save. I have done Control S. So that is it in this video. See you soon. Bye.